What is up guys, Julius here, and today I am going to show you how to put a video inside of text in Adobe Premiere Pro. And I am here in my Premiere where I have prepared a sequence with a video clip of Paris and the Eiffel Tower and just a text that says Paris or a title. And the first thing you want to do to get the effect started is go into the effects panel, video effects, keying. Then this one track matte key, you want to drag that on top of your video clip like so. And in here there's not that much you can play around with, but this part here that says matte, you want to change this to your title layer. In my case this is video 2, so, and it is actually already doing the effect. But let's say I want the video of inside the text to be like a little bit shoved down. All I have to do then is change the position of the title, but then the text moves down. But let's say maybe 740 or something like that, right? But now it's down, so how do you get it centered again? You go the pixels in the other directions on the video clip. So it would be 340 on the y-axis here. We have it centered and we have also these people in the frame, and I think that's pretty cool because then there's some movement in the text. One thing which I do not like that much right now is that the trays are kind of like very dark. And the way I'm gonna fix that is I'm just gonna apply brightness and contrast and turn up the brightness on the video clip. And I just do this so it is more easy to distinguish between the black and like the borders of the letters and what is inside them. So let's take a look at the final effect. Wonderful, very quick and very cool effect to do. But anyways, please let me know in the comments which type of tutorials you would like to see next. Also maybe consider subscribing and dropping a like. But anyways, see you tomorrow guys, bye.